Now, do you see what's happened in Kaduna State? Mistakenly, our military, Nigerian military, by mistakenly slaughter many people, other more than 120 people, by mistakenly. Now, do you see what they did? Even the army general, all of them came to apologize for the mistake the soldiers did. Do you see what they did? Now, let me ask you a question. You are saying that we are one Nigeria. How many times all these things that military are doing in Anambra, Imo State, sometimes in Enugu State, burning innocent houses, Igbo houses, burning them? How many times have they come to apologize for the family they burned their house? You are saying that we are one Nigeria. How many times have Nigeria government, even Nigerian military, came to Igbo land? All those innocent youth, all those innocent houses that are burning in Imo State, burning in Anambra State. I'm not talking about the bad ones. Innocent people. How many times have they come to apologize to the family that burned their house? No. How many times have they come to apologize? How many times? You say that we are one Nigeria. I'm so sorry for those people that lost their loved one. I'm so sorry for what happened to them. I'm so sorry. It's a very pity, but may their soul rest in peace. I'm so sorry for what happened. But they did the right thing they're supposed to do. Do you see how they go that place? To apologize. This is what they're supposed to do. This is what they're supposed to do. But how many times all these things, they are burning people houses in Imo State and Anambra State, burning their houses, slaughtering innocent youth who will not do anything. Innocent youth. How many times that Nigeria military people come to Igbo land to apologize to all the family members they burned their house? They are doing it. Nothing will happen because Igbo leaders, they don't know what they are doing. Governor of Anambra State, Enugu State, Ebonyi, Abia, Commander Abandu, they will not even talk. They are slaughtering your innocent citizens. I'm talking about the innocent ones. Burning their houses. Even governor will not condemn it. Do you see the kind of country that we are living into? When I put the kind of country on email, they will not even talk anything. Do you see the kind of country that we are? Do you see in the country on email? You are saying that we are one Nigeria. Our leaders, they are not doing anything. They will not apologize. They will even slaughter you. Our governor will even support them. Do you see the kind of wicked country that you are living into? We have Igbo leaders. I don't know Igbo leaders. Oh God Almighty, I pray that you deliver us from these wicked Igbo leaders that are living in this land. Do you see? You people will not even talk. I'm talking about the innocent one. You will not go talk. May God have mercy upon all these eastern governors. Governor Soludo, Governor Hope Uzodinma, Governor Alex, Governor Francis, Governor Peter. May God have mercy upon you people. May God have mercy upon them. I could remember what happened when Ugwani was the governor of Enugu State. What happened in Enugu State? Ugwani could not even talk anything. Say that we were one Nigeria. This thing those military did in Kaduna, this is the right thing. God apologize them. This is a mistake. But all this mistake one they do in this Igbo land, how many times have you people come to apologize to their family? To apologize to them, tell them we are sorry, we don't know, by mistaking our boys do mistake. How many times? Nothing. And that's not one Nigeria. You people say that we are one Nigeria. How many times have you people to come to Igbo land to apologize? And they grab one Nigeria. What the meaning of the one Nigeria?